Now, today I want to talk to you, and I want to talk to you about how to set yourself up properly for a good first day back on the slopes. So let's get into it. It's Christmas and I'm so excited. New gloves from Snowshepherd. Fantastic. Thank you, Tim from Snowshepherd. I'm going to test and trial them out today on my first day in skiing. First of all, equipment, number one. So equipment's really important. And what I do is I make sure that I've got my equipment right. So today, just for my first day of skiing, there goes the poles. I just have my normal short piste skis because that's what I'm going to ski on. They're not stiff at all, they're nice and recreational. I've got sort of soft boots, nothing fancy, no race boots, and just some few layers on today. And the equipment is just really important. Just make sure that the skis are nice and sharp, okay, and they're waxed. And importantly, they're waxed at the temperature they need to be. So for example, on the glacier here today in Teen, you really need a cold wax, so maybe a red or a blue wax. So you really want to set yourself up properly to get yourself ready and feeling good on the slopes. So number one is the equipment. We are on the 23rd of December. I mean, this is a view that you probably will never see, really. This winter, totally different. No lifts are working, so it's all about uphill. Yeah. Number two, it's really important to pick a nice slope that's flat. So we're just gonna do a bit of a warm up really slowly and on a green or blue run to start with, okay? And try and hold yourself back, okay? The biggest mistake that everyone does is that they actually go straight down the slope. I know that's what I want to do all the time, but really hold yourself back, really try and, you know, get nice and centered and just slowly go down on your first run. Can you see over that, Mont Blanc? Last June, I actually skied that, so you can actually see the videos. So check out the videos. I'm going to put them in the link below in the description. And check out my skiing Mont Blanc. It's so good to be back skiing. Fingers crossed for this winter, everyone. And everyone can come out and enjoy the skiing again. This run, number 3, I'm actually going to concentrate and try and think about linking the turns and being symmetrical. Okay, so I'm going to just try and keep that symmetrical turns all the way down the slope, and I'm not going to worry about edge or performance. I'm just going to think about nice and slow symmetrical turns just to feel nice and balanced and in the center of the ski. Once I'm feeling pretty confident, I've had a few runs just to sort of feel nice and centered, then I can let my skis slowly to run and really try and grip on the edge and come into some carving turns. So here we go, nice and quiet, no one's here, it's wide, and what I do is I let them run. Woo! Down, all the way to the Blanc chairlift. Gonna just jump over it. So good to feel that speed. And you can really just let them run now. Down to Blanc's chairlift. So good. I'm pumped, I'm pumped! So I just want to say thanks for watching, everyone. Don't miss out on some fitness videos. I'm going to put the link in the description below. So have a look at those. That will get you ready for fitness for this winter. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell and join us. Share the passion for skiing. And I'm going to bring more tips and more videos with adventure throughout the season. So I'll see you in the next one. Boom! Boom!